So today I want to talk something really important. If you have a blog on blogger.com, you're definitely not alone. It's an amazing place to start. But as your blog grows, you're gonna spend so much of time. You're gonna waste your time just designing your blog. And let's not talk about SEO. SEO is total nightmare on blogger.com. It is so complicated to do even basic SEO on blogger.com. And motive behind this video is not to demotivate you, but to show the right path. And I'm sure audience of my channel is very intelligent. You can make your own decision. I just want to present some points and I'm sure you can make your own decisions. And let me know in the comments what do you think about this topic. So I want to talk about some few important things why Blogger is not the best thing. Okay, so let's talk with limited customization. If you have a Blogger website, you can use a default theme which are really basic and you cannot do much with those themes. They're really basic themes, but you cannot do really much with designing this theme, and adding elements on the page is a total nightmare. And after doing a lot of effort, you can make your blog look something like decent, something like this. But do not expect too much with these default themes. And there's a possibility you can add third-party themes to your blog website and you can achieve something really nice. You can look here, it looks real nice. It doesn't look like a blog website, but again, that's really complicated. And then we can import the theme, we can create this design, but what about editing the page? Because everything here you can see, their sections are here, they're very complicated to customize. Everything is limited, the places are predefined. For example, this top navigation, you can add only limited elements here and you cannot move these things. But if you're using platform like WordPress.com, which is I recommend to everybody, super amazing platform, everybody should move to WordPress. You can see, you can use a page builder and you can just drag and drop things and you can create any kind of design what you want. Not just this, you have complete control over of your website elements, and there's so many ready-made elements exist on WordPress. You just need to drag those things and add to your website. Super simple to edit pages, create a website, really easy. Because in Blogger, you're gonna always be frustrated how to achieve things. And which brings to second point. Okay, we can say we can use a simple website design like this. It's not the most important thing for a blog website. For example, on mobile devices, this will look really nice, this blog. But what about SEO? We can do the basic design, but what about SEO? So for SEO, Blogger is nightmare. In Blogger, you go to settings, you can enable search description, you can set up custom 404 redirects, and you can set up robots.txt file, and then you can also enable ads.txt file. But you cannot do a lot of other stuff which is super easy in WordPress platform. For example, in WordPress.com, there's so many AI powered plugins exist which are free to use. And you can use this plugin to do so much of stuff. For example, I'm using Rank Math plugin on one of my website. I can do anything related to SEO on website. I can set up titles and meta tag. I can set up the sitemap of the website. I can exclude the pages I don't want to index on Google, and the possibility is unlimited. And next important thing on Blogger is the website ownership. For example, this website we created on Blogger, the most you can do, you can import the data, you can import your blog post, that's all you can do. You cannot download the complete website and then set up this website somewhere else, no. In case of WordPress.com, I can download my complete website on my computer and I can set up on any hosting. Even I can set up on my local computer and my website will look exactly like this. But with Blogger, you can only download data. Of course, you can use data how you want, but it's gonna be XML file. You cannot download complete website easily like WordPress. And the last point is monetization. So if you want to make money with your blog, Blogger limits you to just use like basic Google AdSense, and also you can add some affiliate links, not much more than that. But with WordPress.com, you can set up complete e-commerce store. For example, you can see I set up my e-commerce store and you can set stuff on your website. You can assign the editors and contribute to your website. And there's so many other ways to monetize your website using WordPress. Even you can create a membership website. Now you must be thinking, what should you do? Should you move to WordPress? What about the cost and everything? So I'm totally not saying that you should delete your Blogger blog and move to WordPress. No, I'm not saying totally that. What you need to do is install a WordPress. You can use WordPress.com for free and you can create an account there. You can start playing with themes and plugins and you see what you can do there. Because in WordPress, there are thousands of plugins already exist to do any kind of stuff on your website. It's super easy. These plugins are really helpful and most of them available free of cost. What I say is to start small, stay on Blogger, keep doing what you're doing for now. But if you're serious about blogging, buy your hosting first. You can buy your hosting for Hostinger around like 69 rupees per month. I think it's like $1 or $2 every month. Or there's some other web hosts also that provide very similar rates, like around $1, $2. You need only basic hosting when you start. You can buy domain name from like Namecheap. You can see the .org domain name like 600 rupees or it's like $5 or $6. You can always find some discount code. In case you want to buy a reliable hosting on a budget, please check the links in the description to get it even cheaper. Yes, with hosting like this, when you get so cheap hosting, when you add them in the cart, this is the problem with most of the hosting. If you buy hosting for 48 months of a long time, then his hosting is very cheap. It's gonna cost you like 69 rupees per month. But the time you're gonna do it for 1 month, you're gonna pay 400 rupees for 1 month. In case for international client, it's gonna be $3 per month. Same case with dollars, it's gonna be $3 per month if you sign up for 48 months. But if you sign up for 1 month, it's gonna be $11 per month. If you have that budget, make a move. You're gonna thank me later. If you're serious about blogging, please make that move. Do the basic investment. I think it's not such a big amount to invest on your career. If you have really no budget, I'm thinking something to create a program around where you can give scholarship to some people who really cannot afford the hosting and domain names. Domain, I think we're not going to do it because domain name is very private thing and you should be owning your own domain name. But yes, I'm thinking to create a plan in future where we can do some scholarship programs. We can give people who really cannot afford blogging and they want to make career in blogging. That's something for later. And now, for example, you have a blog on blogger.com and you move to WordPress. You must be thinking you're going to move the SEO authority. If you already have some traffic on your Blogger website. Actually, no, you can redirect your Blogger domain to WordPress.com. I already created a video about it. In just few minutes, you can completely transfer all your blog posts from Blogger to a very beautiful professional looking WordPress website. So I'll link that video in the description. Please watch that video. Okay, now the last thing, when should you move? So for the people who should move from Blogger to WordPress right now, if you want to build a professional blog that makes money, you're serious about SEO, customization, monetization, and you're ready to invest a small amount for big long-term gains. If you fulfill these 3 things, please move from Blogger to WordPress today. It's really important. And you should wait a little bit. Do not move from Blogger to WordPress in case you're still learning and not ready to invest any money, or you don't have any budget, or you just blog for fun and you don't care about growth, income, monetization. And the final decision, should you move? Yes. If you can, please move it today. You're gonna thank me later. It's gonna really save you a lot of time and you can do much more efficiently blogging. Let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear your opinion on these points. And please write a detailed answer that why you think which one is best. And if you get any value from the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. So if you're ready to make a move, don't forget to check the links in the description for the best hosting I recommend. And if you make your mind, please check this video, how to move from Blogger to WordPress.